So when we work on writing, we have some rules. What do you think our first rule of work on writing is, Lizzie?
Have a period at the end and have a big letter at the...
Yep, we need a capital at the beginning, we need a period at the end, we need space. We need to use complete sentences, right? So the most important thing is we use complete sentences. How many complete sentences do you think I'll make you do for one story? How many complete sentences at least? You can do more, but how many do you at least probably need, Lizzie?
One.
No, one sentence isn't a story. Hadley?
Two.
That's close, but no. What do you think, Renzo? We need 4 sentences to make a story. Okay? So that means 4 complete sentences. Let's sing our sentence song so we can remember what are the parts of sentence. Does it start with a capital letter? Are there spaces between the words? Does it tell a whole idea to everyone? Is there a question mark, exclamation point, or a period at the end? Well, if these 4 things are true, then your sentence is done. Yes, your sentence is done. So, when you write a story, you need how many sentences? 4. So you need 4 sentences. And we already know what our sentences need to have, right? So I will put this chart back out here for us to remember. Okay? What our 4 things are that a sentence needs to have. Okay, so you need 4 sentences. Now, what are you writing about? We are going to have 2 choices. These are called silly starters. So you need to write these inside of your writing journal that we made yesterday. Remember when we did our Rainbow wrote our spelling words? And it was the yellow journal. Get out your yellow journal for me, please. Hold it up whenever you've got it out. Alice and Hadley have it out. Nevaeh's ready. Landon's ready. Lizzie's ready. Connor's ready. Layla's ready. Renzo. Axton. Okay. Clayton's ready. Zachary's ready. Come on, Jonah. You can do it. Kinley's ready. You can find it. Okay, go ahead and open to your first clean page. Your first clean page. Okay? So, does that mean the first page or does it mean your first clean page? So the first page you come to, that is clean, which means it doesn't have writing on it. Put your name at the top and put the date at the top. Put your name at the top and put your date at the top. Okay? When you've got your name and your date, you can either write September 1st, 2020, or you can write it like this, which is the same thing, 09/01/2020.
Do we also need to write our number?
Yeah, you can put your number too. Okay, you can put your number too. Name, number, date. Yep.
Okay, we're going to do SEP 1/2020.
Yep, there's lots of ways, isn't there? Okay? When you've got your name and the date, I want you to give me a thumbs up.
Or can I just pick this up?
No, I just want a thumbs up. I want to see it really big when you've got your name and the date. I'm going to go ahead and count down from 10, okay? Axton, quickly, your pencil should always be out, okay?
10. I got one done.
Okay. 10. 9. And then write 09, that top, the number, this one. 8. 7. 6. 5. story starters. So today, choice number 1 is to describe the fun you would have with an elephant that can talk. So, your first choice to write a story about in 4 sentences is to describe the fun you would have with an elephant that can talk. You would need 4 sentences to tell me about what you would do with the talking elephant. Okay?
Well, that depends on how funny it was.
You ready to hear the second silly story?
Do you have to write the elephant? This me.
Do you have to write it?
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
I want to practice.
Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
All right. Your second story choice is to describe what it would be like to live next door
The zoo. I live next door to the
to a bug
To a bug. To a bug?
that no one likes.
In the first one. There's only one thing.
So, you have 2 different stories that you can write about. Whichever story you choose to write about, how many sentences do you need? 4 sentences. So, your first choice is to describe the fun you would have with an elephant that can talk. Your second choice is to describe what it would be like to live next door to a bug that no one likes. Okay? You choose whichever one you want. You need a capital letter, spaces, and a period, and you need 4 sentences. Okay? Now, when we work on writing, there's some rules. You need to write the entire time. You need to stay in one spot. Ignore distractions. Build stamina. And don't talk to anyone, right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and have you guys get started. Pick a story and write about it, okay?